County, San Bernardino, California. The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for San Bernardino County in Southern California until 5:45 p.m. PGT. At 2:34 p.m. PGT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. MRMS indicates that up to 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Storms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, creeks, normally dry washes and roads. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include mainly rural areas of San Bernardino County, including Excelsior Line Road and Kingston Road.
Tobacco cigarette. They go after Juul, but marijuana is fine as long as they make a lot of money on it. But they're